Yo, I'm gonna be opening this. Why? Because I feel like it. Yeah, yeah. I already opened up everything. See, my tools are in here. I'm gonna snip your balls off. Snip, snip. I'm gonna put this on a pair of sunglasses because it looks cool. Here's a bunch of colors. This is all white. This is like rubber. It's pretty cool. This is gray. This is white. This is from my colorblind people. This is gray. This is gray. This is gray. Yeah, like that picture. This is white. This is white. This is black. Put the black away from the rest of society because that's the right thing to do. Oh, that's a duplicate. Oh, shit. This is white. This is blue. Blue isn't normal, but we're gonna make an exception. That's gray. Here's the instruction manual. And here's what the finished product will look like. Obviously, me being the master I am, I would build this with my spatula. Better than SpongeBob. Yeah, yeah. Anyways, bye.